Okay, so today I'm going to attempt to plastic weld this split wheel arch liner back together. Okay, now I'm going to mount some zip wire into it just to give it a bit more strength. Okay, not the prettiest job, a bit new to this, but I've got an extra layer of plastic on there now to support it. It's pretty strong. I'm just going to stitch this other side together, mount it together, just to give it a bit extra strength. It's not something that's going to be seen, and it's all black, so it should be okay. Okay, that's all finished, both sides. Let's go back on the car. Okay, the other thing I noticed is the aerial's missing, and the radio reception isn't that great. So I've just bought a generic, really cheap aerial off eBay that had good reviews, to be fair. We'll fit that and see if it makes any difference. And that channel that was crackly just a minute ago is actually a lot better. So for, I mean, that was like £3 the aerial, so people wanted £30 for one off a spares car, which on eBay, which is ridiculous. And I don't think that looks too bad.
And not with the ideal weld, but with
Definitely a lot better. So a couple of these push-in fitted, and that liner on the bonnet is now all secure. Okay, so the replacement headlight's in. I've had to epoxy this tab back on. I'll spray that to make it look a bit better in black. Fits pretty good. Paint is chipped off here, so I've just primed it for the minute. There's a bit of rust underneath, so just going to treat that and get a bit of filler on there properly and give that some paint. That'll fit pretty nice. It's nice and solid.